Okay, there's a guy over there with a leaf blower, and I'm like about 1.5 feet, maybe not even 2 feet away from the back of the iPhone 6. And the reason why I'm doing this is because there have been people that have been saying that the iPhone's built-in microphone is so good now that they don't need an external microphone. So I'm hoping to prove that you do still need an external microphone, only because of things like this, where the background noise is so noisy. So I'm gonna plug in this, the EIM 008. All right, here we go. All right, so this is the EIM 008 plugged directly into my iPhone 6. Obviously, you can probably still hear the guy with the leaf blower, but there's going to be a big difference between this and the iPhone 6's built-in microphone. At least I sure as hell hope there is a difference. So if you want to help reduce or eliminate background noise in your videos, you do still need to get an external microphone, especially like a lavalier microphone like this, because it gets you so much closer to the microphone, all right? Anyway, let me know if you have any questions or comments about that. Be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll talk to you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.